Imagine a future where speed, design, and legacy collide into a single masterpiece. What you are about to see is not just a car, it is a revolution. The all-new 2030 Nissan GT-R Nismo is here, and it is unlike anything you have ever dreamed of. This is the moment you've been waiting for. The future just arrived. Hello and welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. You are not here by accident. You are here because you love performance. You crave power. And today, we honor your passion by unveiling a legend reborn. Stay with us, because this ride will take your breath away. Before we begin, I want to wish you success in everything you do. May your dreams be big, your days full of inspiration, and may one day this car, or any car you love, be yours. Keep believing. Greatness starts with vision. And this vision rides on four wheels. If you've ever dreamed of owning a car that turns heads, shakes the streets, and writes history with every rev, this is it. Let the 2030 GT-R Nismo remind you that no dream is too far. If Nissan can push the limits of power, so can you in your own life. Now, let's dive into what makes this beast so different. The 2030 GT-R Nismo is a bold redesign from the ground up. It blends racing DNA with futuristic elegance, all wrapped into an electrifying silhouette. Every curve tells a story of speed. From the first glance, the body screams performance. Sharp lines, wide shoulders, and an aggressive stance make it impossible to ignore. This is not just aesthetics. Every design decision enhances aerodynamics, making the car slice through air like a missile. Built with carbon fiber panels and lightweight alloys, this GT-R is both light and solid. Active aero systems shift in real time for maximum grip and stability. It is a dance between engineering and speed, precision and passion. The front fascia features redesigned LED light bars that glow like the future itself. A massive air intake and signature V-Motion grille combine beauty and purpose. At night, this car doesn't just show up, it dominates. The wheels, pure aggression. 21-inch forged Nismo alloys with red racing calipers, wrapped in ultra-grip tires. They are ready to tackle any road or track. One look, and you know this machine means business. Step inside the cockpit. You are greeted by a space where fighter jet meets luxury. Alcantara, carbon trim, and digital elegance flow across the dashboard. This is more than a driver's seat. It's a command center. Bucket-style racing seats grip you in place. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in suede. Red Nismo accents remind you constantly that this car is not ordinary. It is bred for performance, and you are part of that legacy now. A massive floating display connects you to everything. Navigation, performance, telemetry, wireless systems, even the sound system is engineered to roar like the engine. You don't just hear music, you feel it. Under the hood, the evolution is radical. A twin-turbo hybrid V6 pumps out an estimated 800 horsepower. Instant torque from electric motors gives this GT-R an edge like never before. Silence meets savagery. 0 to 60, under 2.5 seconds, quarter mile. Devastating. All-wheel drive with adaptive suspension keeps it planted. This is not just speed. This is intelligent destruction of any supercar that dares challenge it. The GT-R 2030 also brings next-level safety. Advanced sensors, semi-autonomous assist, predictive AI braking. While the car is born to race, it is also smart enough to protect you at any speed, in any weather. As for price, while no official tag exists yet, estimates range around $200,000. It's a bargain when you consider what it's going to crush on the market. And trust me, people are already lining up. The GT-R name began in the 1960s. It earned its place with time, tuning, and tenacity. The R35 ruled the 2000s, but this 2030 concept, it redefines everything. It is the boldest chapter in Nissan's history. Why does this car matter? Because it proves that heritage and innovation can live in harmony. It honors the past, but it's built for the future. The GT-R is not just a car, it's an icon, a legend, a weapon, a dream. If this machine inspires you, don't stop dreaming. Let it drive you to chase more, better, faster. Whether in cars or in life, never settle. Be like the GT-R, always evolving, always hungry, always ready to destroy limits. Thank you for watching. If you felt something today, if this car moved you, like this video, share it with someone who loves the future. And don't forget to subscribe. More insane cars, more wild concepts, more reasons to believe coming soon.